Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Airbnb password. First, open the Airbnb app or website and then go to the login page. Then once you're gonna go ahead and log in, enter your Gmail or email, then click continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Now while entering your password, go ahead and click on the forgot your password option and then go ahead and enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Next, you'll receive a reset link or verification code either in SMS or your Gmail account. Go to your Gmail account and then click the code if it is there, then enter the code in the Airbnb app and then create a new password. Make sure it is strong and secure but easy to use or for you to remember. That's how you reset your Airbnb password. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.